Hello, good Wednesday morning. Susan Lazar, Hart here, your congruency coach for seekers, for leaders, for creatives looking for a more joy-filled and fulfilling life. And our congruency quickie today is, what's your number one value? Hey Claudette, welcome. So when I ask you what's your number one value, it's a question I asked myself yesterday. And I've been taking an aerial view of how I'm creating, what I'm creating, who we are in the world, where we are in the world, and beyond. And really asking myself, what is my number one value as I serve my clients, as I'm here serving myself as well? And what I got was it was a journey of self-discovery. And everything that I do and be and everything that I create matches that journey of self-discovery. And if it doesn't, I let it go. So my question for you is, what is your number one value? What is it that you value most above all else? And are you honoring that with how you're playing, who you're being, what you're creating, right? Because it's so important. If we don't honor that what is so the drive that keeps us going, the curiosity, the honoring of this journey, if we don't honor that, then are you following somebody else to create a life for yourself that you decided is great because they are? Well, that's their value. It's not necessarily your value, right? Are you listening to the whispers of awareness that match the vibration of what you value, right? Or are you numbing yourself out? Are you following something external? There's so much external right now. The media, all of that. There's so many experts out there telling you what you should do, how you should do, where the world is going, where it's not going. What the third dimension is, what the fifth dimension is, what ascension's all about. It just goes on and on and on and on and on. And yet I would ask you, what is it that you value most? Claudette, I know you say it's not always easy. I might say it's not always comfortable, right? To actually be gut honest with yourself is what I'm challenging you all with this week for this congruency quickie, is be gut honest with yourself. Take an aerial view and ask yourself, what is it that I value here, right? It could be whatever that is for you. For myself, hi Dorit, for myself when it has to do with this journey of self-discovery, and then everything else is congruent with that. So it could be including more painting in my life. It could be walking more in the woods. It could be gleaning more information, more clarity, right, on who we are. This spark that chose this body to have a human experience. Whatever that is, it's all going to relate to what I value most, which is the learning, the self-discovery that I'm on, which I then gives me more to be with my clients with, right? So that's my challenge for you on this congruency quickie. As part of honoring what I value most, this will be our last meeting of a congruency quickie for December. I'm going to take the next 2 to 3 weeks off, and off of this media, off of, hey Emery, off of writing emails, off of all of that. And with that in mind, let me remind you that the unlimited laser coaching special that I'm offering for just this week closes on Sunday, as I will be as well moving on to that gift of time for myself, for discovery, for this journey. That's what I value most. I'm asking you, what do you value most? And if you want to dive deeper, you can always private message me. So, reminder, the unlimited laser coaching offer is finished on Sunday at midnight. If you want to know more about it, just private message me. I'm curious. Susan, what's that all about? Come on over to Ask Susan Sunday, where we'll be talking about it some more on Congruent Living, our Facebook. And there's also a huge explanation of unlimited laser coaching on Congruent Living as well. Claudette says, have to say, very interesting question. Take care and have a vacation. Thank you. It's more like it's a journey. It's a journey. Thank you so much. Maybe we'll call it a Vay journey. I don't know. I'm just playing with you now. Thank you so much. Okay, I adore you all. You know that. We will catch up again with Congruency Quickies in January. If you would like more, go to my free resources on susanlazarhart.com, where all the Congruency Quickies are. We've gathered them all there for you. And write in a comment. Let me know what's popping for you. I adore you all. Live boldly, love greatly, and be that fearless leader that you came here to be. A fearless leader is one that's willing to be present with what they value the most and not go off on tangents following other people's needs, wants, and desires. I adore you. I'll see you at Ask Susan Congruent Living Facebook this Sunday. And come on over early because I'm writing stuff in there every day. Bye-bye.